Good morning children. This is the second video of Symmetry 2. This is the second video of lesson Symmetry. What is symmetry? Figures that can be divided into two similar halves are known as symmetrical figures. Figures that can be divided into two similar halves are known as symmetrical figures. The dotted line in each figure is called a line of symmetry. The dotted line in each figure is called the line of symmetry. Look at this picture. This is some example of symmetrical shapes. These shapes are symmetrical shapes because it will be divided to equal half. One is overlap to the another one. So it is a example of symmetrical shapes. Apple, butterfly, column, house, arrows are some example of symmetrical shapes. Symmetry in geometrical shape. You look at this circle, it infinite lines of symmetry. See this rectangle, it has two lines of symmetry. One is horizontal line and another one is vertical line. The equilateral triangle has three lines of symmetry. The next one is square. It is a four line of symmetry. One is horizontal, vertical and two diagonal symmetry. Some more examples. The pentagon has 5 lines of symmetry. The hexagon has 6 lines of symmetry. The octagon has 8 lines of symmetry. The regular pentagon, hexagon and octagon has 5 lines of symmetry and 6 lines of symmetry and 8 lines of symmetry. Look at here. Symmetry in English alphabets. Some alphabets are divided in horizontal wise. Some alphabets are divided in vertical wise. Some of the alphabet is not a symmetrical because some alphabet is not divided the equal parts. See horizontal line of symmetry. Some examples: B, C, D, E, H, I, K, O, X are horizontal line of symmetry. In vertical line of symmetry is example of vertical line of symmetry is letter A, H, I, M, O, T, U, V, W, I, X and Y are some example of vertical line of symmetry. Let's learn what is asymmetrical shape. Non-symmetrical shape. The shapes with no lines of symmetry are known as the non-symmetrical or asymmetrical shapes. Look at this picture. This is an example of asymmetrical shapes. If we divide that shapes, we cannot get that equal half of the part. So it is the asymmetrical shapes. Second, next one, reflection symmetry. We are going to learn about reflection symmetry. Some letters and figures are having that reflection. When a figure is kept in front of the plane mirror, we get an identical image on the other side, which is flipped or inverted. This is called the reflection of the figure. The image and the reflection form of symmetrical shape with the mirror being the line of symmetry, also called the mirror line. We can see some difference in the reflection of the letters when the mirror is placed vertically, horizontally and diagonally. Some letters are same in some position. Some letters are same shape and size, but they are facing the other way. Let us see some example of reflection symmetry in the natural life. Some monuments or natural things or some example of a reflection symmetry. Look at this picture. These are some example of the reflection symmetry in our natural life.